How to allow only contacts to add you on a group on WhatsApp. By default, WhatsApp make it very easy to add anyone to a group. If you give your phone number to somebody, you might end up in several promotional groups. You can now stop this problem at the source. WhatsApp has a setting that blocks anyone from automatically adding you to a group. To enable this, first tap on the three dots from the top right. Now, select Settings. Here, tap on Privacy. Find option Groups and tap it. Here, tap on My Contacts. And now, tap Done. Now, only contacts from the phone can add you in a group. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.